Good evening, guys. If you love skincare as much as I do, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more product reviews and tips. So, ang i-review natin for today is itong CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Isa to ngayon sa most talk about products sa skincare world, itong CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. So, ang first key ingredient nito is ceramides. Ang ceramide ay isang lipid na tumutulong sa pagre-restore and nagme-maintain ng skin's natural barrier and nagla-lock-in din ng moisture. And next is meron din siyang hyaluronic acid, a very powerful ingredient that can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water. So it means it is a very powerful ingredient na nakakapag-hydrate ng skin natin. And the third one is the glycerin, no? It's also a very powerful ingredient na nakakapag-plump ng skin and nakakapag-hydrate din. Ang texture nito is very rich and creamy, pero mabilis siyang na-absorb ng skin. Plus, ang kagandahan nito, it's a fragrance-free, wala siyang amoy. So, for sure, magugustuhan talaga ninyo. When it comes to price, for me, it's very affordable. Compare sa quality na makukuha ninyo, it's so worth to try. The price of this one ranges from, iba-iba kasi ang presyo nito eh. So, merong mga nagbibenta dito from 900 to 1,500. Pero ganito na siya kalaki. Matagal nyo na itong mauubos. This one, honestly, I've been using this for a year. Pero ito nabili ko is, I think, 6 months ago. Pero until now, paubos na siya. Pero, ayan o, hindi siya kita. Maganda talaga siya sa skin. Ayan, nakikita nyo, diba? Diba, nakikita nyo. So ako, I love using this one morning and night, no? So, kukuha ka lang ng small amount nito. Ito siya guys, small amount, then ipapahid nyo lang sa, i-massage nyo lang sa face ninyo, all over the face. And isama nyo na rin yung sa neck ninyo. So, ganun lang siya kadali, oh. Tingnan nyo. Madali siyang na-absorb ng skin. Napakaganda niya sa skin, very light, and then hindi rin siya greasy. Diba guys? Diba? I've been using this for a year already, no? And talaga namang malaki yung improvement ng skin ko. Gumanda yung texture niya, tapos yung mga pores nag-improve din. Especially dun sa mga sensitive skin, magugustuhan nyo rin to, and for sure hindi kayo magkakaroon ng allergic reactions dito. Perfect din siya for all skin types, especially dun sa mga sensitive skin, pwede kayo nito. So my final thoughts, if you are searching for a very reliable moisturizing cream, try this one. Try CeraVe Moisturizing Cream. Thank you guys for watching. If you found this product very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more product reviews. Thank you, thank you, thank you.